So now we will understand some of the needs of the inner child. Right? The goal is for inner child healing not to blame our parents. We have critical parent, right? Now we will coach this critical parent to satisfy the needs of inner child. The parent is within us, child is also within us, and adult is also within us. This is the transaction happening within us. Now we will coach the parent. Adult will learn all these things. Right? Now you are all adults. You will learn all this information. Now you coach your critical parent to satisfy all the needs of inner child. Now adult will learn what are the needs of inner child. Is it fine?
Yes.
So these are some needs, and everyone are able to see.
Need to feel wanted.
Is it okay if I sit? Everyone can see me?
Need to feel wanted.
So this is one need of inner child. You recognize these needs now. You acknowledge these needs. Okay, I understand now my inner child also wanted to feel the need of being wanted. Need to be accepted and appreciated for who he or she is, not what he or she does.
Need to be accepted.
And appreciated for what he or she is,
For this.
for a beingness, not for their achievement, not for their ranks, not for their financial status. This is the need for inner child. Feel special and respected. Most of the times we intrude into the space of the children, and critical parent always want to control the child, and most of the times child doesn't know how to protect itself. Child is dependent on the critical parent to protect him or her. But critical parent will not abuse the child now. Critical parent will respect the boundaries of the child. Emotional boundaries and physical boundaries. Now slowly the critical parent will become divine parent. Initially he was very critical, he or she was very critical. Slowly when we heal the inner child, critical parent will slowly become the divine parent. Need to have your feelings, thoughts and intuition validated. So most of the times inner child all have these feelings, have these thoughts, have some intuitions, but it is confused. So it needs validation from outside. It needs acceptance, it needs appreciation, it needs validation. We recognize those needs of inner child, and as an adult, as a parent, we do that to the inner child. Let's say inner child is having some feelings, we acknowledge those feelings. No, we will not suppress them. We respect the feelings of our inner child, of our own self. Is it fine? Encouragement in discovering and exploring your unique qualities. It needs encouragement. It always wants to try out something new, and it wants to learn about its own qualities, its own talents, its own skills. Sometimes inner child wants to explore singing, explore dancing, or explore adventure, or do some scientific experiments, right? So we can, like inner child will be sorting out things. You remember in your childhood, right? You play whatever something comes, I used to do that. All the chess coins, I used to make it as a huge battalion. And I used to take, as if now this house is going. I used to imagine, right? All this imagination, this feeling, this exploration. You want to play, you want to explore. So we acknowledge those needs. These needs are very important for us to note down so that we acknowledge those needs and we fulfill those needs. We start fulfilling the needs of inner child. Going ahead. Right? Feel secure and supported. Children are very vulnerable, right? They are not very independent people. They depend. Even at this age also, even at 40, 50, we wanted our parents. We wanted their support. We wanted their encouragement. We wanted to feel safe because the world is not very safe for the child, and it expects. That's the parent's duty also. As a parent, parent to protect the child. Parent need to make the child feel safe and secure. And need to feel safe and protected. It is the need. We acknowledge those needs. And inner child needs physical touch and with loving presence. Not with most of the times it also happens like sexual abuse can happen at the childhood. I have seen a lot of people who were abused sexually. Out of the predatorness, it's not loving touch. It's about more satisfying the needs of the adult. But we cannot do any kind of sexual abuse to children. So with love, we have to embrace them. The touch should be very loving, not with all the, what you call, lust or something, so that they will not feel unsafe, insecure. So, inner child needs physical touch with loving presence. Now, your inner child needs loving touch with physical presence. And with loving presence, and probably you need to parent it. You need to take your inner child to people who are very loving. You need to take them to massage parlors. And so that
sit quietly, calmly,
and give them that physical touch. You need to make them. You will feel lively, right? You will feel good about yourself. Need to be inspired, motivated, and encouraged to learn. You want to learn. Inner child want to learn. It is full of awe, like she said, full of wonder. Want to experience the world. And it needs encouragement, it needs motivation, it needs inspiration, and we give them to our inner child. Need to witness love and intimacy. So many people have recognized this need. I don't want any hypocrites. Intimacy and love, love, समझो हीरो हीरोइन अच्छा रोमांस कर रहा है, किस कर रहा है, you want to see or not see? Everyone want to see?
Yes.
See. Say that I want to see and I want to witness love and intimacy. Acknowledge the need, Now critical parent शांत किया हमने और अभी हम critical parent को नहीं जगाना है. We'll acknowledge the need of inner child now. Right? Inner child has this need and we acknowledge the need. Okay? Take your inner child to romantic movies. Right? All love scenes, full of love scenes. Very intimate scenes, where they are experiencing love. Take them to park where lovers are very intimate. Take your inner child. No, take your child. Don't take your child. Take your inner child. Okay? And need to know that it is okay to make mistakes. Most of the time it's very much afraid to make mistakes, but we need to coach our parents in that parent, okay, will allow it to make mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. The mistakes only we learn, right? We did not get all the knowledge by falling on the planet. Suddenly, we fallen down, we learned a lot of things, and it's okay to make mistakes, not be too much self-judgmental to the inner child, to be more bossy. And need for respect of boundaries. Yeah, this we had covered. Someone need to ask permission. Let's say someone want to kiss me, someone want to hug me, they need to ask me permission. They cannot force me. Right? Someone need to experience love with me, they need to ask me, they need to seek my permission. It's not like someone can manipulate me and प्यार तो चुरा नहीं सकते हैं मेरे से.
छोड़ा नहीं तो
चूड़ा
हाँ?
चूड़ा
छोड़ा
I'm not good at Hindi, so
चूड़ा के
हाँ?
चूड़ा के छुड़ा के
हाँ, whatever. Something steal. I'll make things comfortable. English.
Both things
No
are
one can steal
important.
that love from me. So they need to respect my boundaries, physical boundaries.
forcefully नहीं कर सकते.
Forcefully नहीं कर सकते. नहीं करना है. Inner child feels very much hurted. It feels very much hurted when someone forces us. And someone tries to control us or physically, emotionally, mentally and spiritually. Inner child feels very suffocated. Right? There are boundaries at every level, physical boundaries, mental boundaries, emotional boundaries and spiritual boundaries. Right? So there is nothing like, any soul cannot enter your body and, condemn the soul. Huh? So that cannot happen, right? We have to respect the boundary and ask permission. If someone wants to do that, ask permission. If at all you are comfortable, your inner child is comfortable, do whatever you both wanted to do. But discuss and decide, that's the thing. Give firm and loving limits. Sometimes inner child also wants to be coached. Like otherwise it will become too, we see that with our children also, we give them too much space, they will sit on the head. Let's say inner child wants, like, a beautiful girl is there, or beautiful, very rich guy, or beautiful guy, handsome guy is there. Inner child wants, no, I want sex with that girl or guy. Inner child tells, no, I am very much attracted, give me. So critical parent will not do that. Critical parent or not, mature parent or divine parent will tell no. So it's an urge. We have to manage our urges. We cannot get everything what we wanted. That's one part of lesson also we have to teach the inner child. Right? Everything whatever child wants cannot be given. That will create an approval, parental approval syndrome. Like parental disapproval syndrome is one thing, parental approval syndrome is there. Parents give whatever child wants, now child is entitled to everything. And child wants, like, and if it doesn't want, it will do destruction. If it doesn't get it. So that also it should not happen. We need to teach them what is the limits. So मेरे पास 100 rupees है, I can afford this much only for your entertainment. Right? Child says, no, I want to go to Mauritius. I want to go to Bali. Right? I want to do that. Child has all these desires, right? But sometimes as a parent, we need to tell the child, okay, this is the situation. I acknowledge your needs. And let us do that sometime later. And that is also not only life, right? Only getting entertained or getting love, getting sex. This is only not life. There is a lot of things also. Right? Need to encourage in discovering and exploring their unique sexuality, creative gifts, joy, resourcefulness, power, solitude, and silence. It also wanted to explore all these things. Like it wanted to explore its own sexuality. So it want to feel, how it likes or dislikes, what are its wants and not dislikes, and creativity, what is its creativity, what is its innovation, whether it can be a singer or a dancer or painter or an artist or whatever. So just allow it to explore. You give your inner child that encouragement to do those things. And joy, it want to experience joy, it want to experience resourcefulness, it want to be useful to someone, it want to do some useful things to the world, it wants to help someone, it wants to do something good to community, and to family. There is inherent need for inner child to do all these things, and we acknowledge those needs, and we give them scope for them. We create the scope for them to be resourceful, to be useful. And it also wants to experience its power, right? When we have done that chord exercise, when we have done that chord exercise, we have seen that there is a lot of power in our Manipura chakra which is getting wasted, and our Manipura chakra is getting abused, right? So why we have done with Manipura chakra? It is a seat of power. It is a seat of self-respect. It is a seat of ego. It is a seat of self-esteem. There only we get into all these dramas. Because through ego only we can manipulate it, right? And also it wants to experience solitude. It wants sometimes to be alone. Like it don't want every time to be with people, every time it to be like, it is forced to be with people. Sometimes it wants space. So acknowledge that. Sometimes it wants silence. Acknowledge that. Take your inner child to somewhere very natural and quiet place to experience the silence also. So these are some needs of inner child.